You have to fill this up all the way up.
With vinegar.
Yep. White vinegar.
Doesn't smell so good though.
Doesn't?
No.
Yeah, it smells strong. Guys, don't smell vinegar. So you keep filling it up.
Kids, if you don't know how to do this, ask someone if they know how to do it, like a scientist or a project. Someone older than you. So don't try this by
Okay,
yourself.
so you move. So you fill it up, and you can put it like on a stand, and then you get food coloring.
Red food coloring. Any color you want. We chose red.
And you put a little.
Just one little cup of spoon. It kind of looks like lava. Not so much though.
And if you want, you could like
Shake it.
shake it. So you got the vinegar in there. Now you could put the top on.
Mhm.
Okay. Next, you get the. Oops.
That's okay.
You get the baking soda. Here's baking soda. And then you open it.
I got food coloring on me. You can wash it.
And then you get some of the baking soda.
Great.
Well, you need kind of like a lot. So we're going to smush it first. Want to smush?
Sure.
You have to smush it about like for 2 minutes. Because if it's hard, it won't erupt.
Because it's gonna block everything and it won't come out.
Okay. You could try. Come here. We're scientists, so we
I
post.
tried to do this at my school, but I failed. But I got a second chance, so I'm sure this will work.
And then you get some.
It's gonna be messy.
Put it in. Keep getting. And it erupts.
You guys want a closer look? Here. You see
It's
that?
better if you put like more baking soda. Here, if you didn't catch that, we could do it one more time.
Yeah. Oh, that's why it didn't work.
Okay.
You guys hold on there for a second. I'm gonna go get a towel. Please hold this up.
Okay, here's a closer view. So you have this,
Wait, what?
and this is the vinegar.
Just turn it red. Oh, going up. Okay, I think that's enough. Right there.
Okay, well guys, we're gonna do it again.
Yeah.
See how it explodes? That's like a closer view. Now we're gonna do the biggest one. Okay, guys, are you ready? We're gonna move this on the side. Ready?
Yeah.
Set,
It's going on. It's going on.
go. You see that,
Oh my God.
You see that?
Oh God.
Oh! And that's how you make a volcano.
Hi,